Hello dear friends, in this video you will know about why books are better than movies. 1 minute speech for school assemblies. Good morning everyone. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of why books are better than movies. Books are often better than movies because they let you imagine the story in your own way. In books, you can learn more about the characters' thoughts and feelings, and the story usually has more details. You can also take your time with a book, while movies are shorter and sometimes leave things out. That's why we prefer books more, because books are better than movies. Thank you.